To give my model a really hydrated, glowy look, I'm going to start off with the NYX Honey Dew Me Up Primer. I'm also going to be adding the Farsali Unicorn Essence drops all over her skin. I just really want her skin to be radiant and super glowy. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk with the Vita Liberata Body Blur. The Vita Liberata isn't actually used for the face, but I wanted to give this a shot. I love the way this turned out, and I think it worked really well with her complexion. To highlight the face, we're going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer all over the high points of the face, and of course I'm going to be listing all the products we use today on my blog. Everything is going to be linked down below. Since we're going for a very natural, dewy, goddess-like look, I wanted to contour her face to kind of just bring out the structure of the face a little bit more, so I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation Stick. To set the under eyes and really anywhere else you put concealer, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder, and I really like this powder. It's very fine and it just does the job, and it's just a really good powder. Moving on to the star of the show, the Natasha Danone Contour Sculpting Powder. This is my favorite product of life. I'm just using this to warm up her skin and also applying this all over the eyelids to give a really sultry, kind of warm goddess look, again, because that is the look we're going for. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of this neutral shade from the ABH palette just right under the eyes to kind of tie up the look. And I'm going to be applying some of this blush by Benefit on her cheeks, and following that, of course, my favorite part, some highlight. I really just wanted the lips to look glowy and kind of plump, so I just went over them with a little bit of liner and then topped them off with the gloss so they still look natural but look put together. And I ended this video by filling in her brows, which are, by the way, perfect. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you guys can stay updated with my future videos. Also, turn on that bell for post notifications. I love you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!